Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we're in the New Orleans suburb of Metairie, just to the west of the city in Jefferson Parish. We'll be driving west on West Metairie Avenue, one of the major east-west thoroughfares that crosses this part of the parish. West Metairie Avenue begins as a couplet at Causeway Boulevard. This is called West Metairie Avenue North here, with its south counterpart carrying eastbound traffic. We're in a residential neighborhood here, home to Archbishop Rummel High School and famed YouTuber Johnny V. The road we're on is named for Metairie, Jefferson Parish's largest unincorporated community with an estimated population of 142,135 as of 2019. West Metairie Avenue runs roughly parallel to I-10 in the shores of Lake Pontchartrain, a little over 1 mile south of the interstate. At this dogleg, the two halves of West Metairie Avenue come together to straddle one of the drainage canals that crisscross the New Orleans metropolitan area. The canal is known simply as Metairie Canal No. 5. Cleary Playground is to the left, one of the many parks operated by Jefferson Parish Recreation Department. From here on, we'll be driving mostly through residential neighborhoods, with businesses near the major cross streets. But we'll be seeing the back of houses, mostly just wooden fences and rear driveways. As we approach Clearview Parkway, which carries LA 3152, we see some businesses and gas stations, and on the left are two competing donut shops, the nationally franchised Krispy Kreme, and across the street is Tasty Donuts, a local favorite. On the left is Joe Yenny Stadium, named for a late parish president of Jefferson Parish. Yenny Stadium is located on the campus of East Jefferson High School, serving portions of Metairie and Kenner since 1955. On the right at the corner of Transcontinental is St. Edward the Confessor Catholic School and Church. Transcontinental Drive, despite its name, runs only 3.5 miles from Lake Pontchartrain to Airline Highway. On the left is St. Martin's Episcopal School, founded in 1947 as a coeducational independent school. Notable alumni include many local dignitaries and Ashley Tappan, Olympic gold medalist swimmer. One of the many schools on this route, T.H. Harris Middle School, is on the right at the corner of Metairie Avenue. The school is named for Thomas H. Harris, who served as the Louisiana school superintendent from 1908 to 1940. On the left as we approach David Drive is Mike Miley Playground, another one of Jefferson Parish Recreation Department's facilities. These large playgrounds we see throughout the parish offer a gymnasium, tennis courts, and organized sports for school-aged children, as well as senior citizen activities and clubs, alternative programs, community enrichment programs, camps, and a wide variety of classes and special events. Also on the left as we cross David Drive is the Jefferson Parish First Parish Court. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. At Roosevelt Avenue, we enter the city of Kenner. We're now on the western edge of Jefferson Parish, and West Metairie Avenue will be coming to an end soon. Kenner is the 7th largest city in Louisiana, the largest city in Jefferson Parish, and the largest incorporated suburban city of the New Orleans metropolitan area. Kenner had an estimated population of 66,340 as of 2019. We cross Williams Boulevard, LA 49, and West Metairie Avenue comes to an end. Here we enter Veterans Park, operated by Kenner Parks and Recreation. This unique park pays homage to the past. The Kenner Naval Museum Commission has created an outdoor museum displaying items at the park, including a war monument, a fighter jet, an attack jet, and 2 cannons. We'll take a walk around the Outdoor Naval Museum where we see a Douglas A-4 Skyhawk, developed for the United States Navy and United States Marine Corps in the early 1950s. This aircraft is dedicated to the memory of Victor Skolecki III, who became a pilot in 1965 and later flew ex-military aircraft in air shows throughout the country. Also on display is a Grumman F-14 Tomcat, which made its first deployment in 1974. The F-14 served as the U.S. Navy's primary maritime air superiority fighter, fleet defense interceptor, and tactical aerial reconnaissance platform into the 2000s. The last F-14 was retired from service in 2006, and this is one of several that have been put on display across the United States. A river patrol boat, introduced in 1965, was used in Vietnam to patrol inland waterways. This 31-foot fiberglass boat could reach speeds of 32 miles per hour. And the last display is a 1941 Plymouth P-11 staff car manufactured for both the U.S. Army and U.S. Navy. This 6-cylinder sedan was often used by military police or to transport VIPs. Back on the road, we're going to take a quick ride to see some of the local wildlife. Just over the fence ahead, you can almost catch a glimpse of Louis Armstrong International Airport, formerly Moisant Field. With this raccoon sighting, we conclude today's video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.